Hello everyone, today's little video regarding the blogs that we have on our Moodle website. So from the both sides, from the left and from the right, we can see some blogs. From the right side, let's check latest announcements that was the last updates and some topics that we can check. So we can see that Nelly posted some discussions. Alright, let's go back. And upcoming events, for example, farming groups, the collaborative Moodle courses. So, and some wages if you earn some during the weeks. And from the left side, you can see who is online. So I'm the only one who is online at this time. And you can see also comments between your colleagues, your classmates. So if you want to add some comments, you can add it, then press save. So everyone will see what you will write. Okay. And also you can see some activities, which is basically the same information as we can find over here. However, it's so-called summarized. For example, if you click on forums, you can see all forums for all weeks. Help desk, first of all, and announcements. So week 1, support forum and all the information. Week 2 as well. Week 3, so it's quite summarized. So we don't, in this case, if you want to check all the forums, if you are looking for some information, you don't need to click on each week and then click again. So also group self selections. Let's click on it. So you can see it on week 2 and week 3. So the name and the descriptions that you need to work in teams. Alright, as develop a collaborative Moodle course. Okay, and also on the left side, you can see so-called the progress bar. Here you can check what have you completed or what you haven't. However, I don't know what is it read aloud because I have completed it already. And over here, so I don't know why it's not completed. I did it already. However, you can check this one, and it's quite nice to see that you're moving on and that you're completing some things. Okay, over here you can see the administration, enroll me from, and question bank as well. So, and on the up, you can see some notifications. Basically, Moodle is linked to my email. That's why I can see all the notifications in my email as well. But here you can also double check it. Also, here is the new messages if you have some from anyone that you can check. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice evening.